What is an APR? And how to avoid paying too much? APR stands for annual percentage rate. It is the cost of borrowing money expressed as a yearly rate. Most people use this term when they talk about credit cards, but it can also apply to other types of loans such as mortgages or car loans. When you see a credit card offer, one thing you should always look at is the APR. The higher the annual percentage rate, the more expensive your credit card will be to carry month to month and year to year. You may not notice a difference in how much cash you have on hand because that's not what APR affects, but it will make a difference in how much interest you pay over time. Example is if you take out a $2,000 loan at 5% interest with monthly payments of $150, your total cost over the course of the year is $2,125. If you pay off your loan early or make an extra payment to cover the balance before the end of the month, then you'll avoid paying interest for that time period. So, if instead you pay off your loan in full every month, then your total cost over 12 months would be $1,000, or $833 per year. Don't forget to subscribe to Investor Web to get more videos on investing tips.